Hey guys, it's me Paradise. I just want to show you the weather we're dealing with right now in Toronto, Canada. For all you guys who live in the Caribbean and loving your sun and nice weather, this is what we're facing right now. It's freaking, it's cold, it's slippery. Whoa, I can't even open my eyes and talk to you right now. Okay, so I'm making all these ugly faces because it is cold, it is freezing, and let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. If you look up, you can't see much, but look at that. It's freeze, like a lot of snow. So that's what we're dealing with right now. So yeah, I'm going for, I have to go out, I have to walk in this, and car's not working. Slippery outside, and my eyes are closed because there's snow going in my eyeballs. And my eyeballs are frozen. My tears are frozen right now. Okay, so talk to you guys later, and give praise and thanks unto God. And if you live in a hot climate country, you're blessed. Bye. Running.